I am so happy when I walk into this kitchen.
Hello guys, my name is Alon. We had here a kitchen refinish project in San Jose. Let me take you inside.
My name is Ingrid Raby and I live in San Jose, California. I wanted to do something different with the kitchen to make it stand out. Tried to sell it a few years ago and several comments were that my kitchen wasn't nice enough and people were worried about having to redo it. I started looking for a couple of weeks and I reached out to various contractors. Alon was the first one that contacted me. And then Alon had sent, I think, a link or something about himself saying this is who I am and this is about me and what I do. So I already knew what to look for when he came to the door, right? So that made me feel a little bit more comfortable. The meeting was, I think it was almost 3 hours. He sat down and went over, what do you want? And then he gave me a couple of different ideas. He drew it out, gave me pricing.
What we did here, we kept the same cabinet. We actually did the kitchen refinish for the cabinet. So what we did, we sanded and primed all the cabinet. We painted the lower cabinet in light gray and the upper cabinet in a white. We replaced all the Formica countertop to a quartz countertop, and we installed here a tile backsplash. Accent box here for the tile. This looks very nice.
He was extremely helpful because I wasn't absolutely sure what I wanted. So he gave me some ideas and I really liked them. And until we actually went into the store to look at the designs and the countertops and just the coloring and the stove backsplash and all those things, it really fell together. He just gave me ideas that I had never even thought about. So the team was great. They were extremely nice. They didn't bother me. I was at work, so I didn't really notice them until I came home. And when I did, they were extremely friendly. By having a dedicated project manager, it made my life so much easier. I work a lot of hours. I travel far to work, and to not have to be here for a contractor, unlock the door, ask questions, figure out money, timing, scheduling, I didn't have to do any of that. And on top of that, Green Bay has an amazing app that's on my phone and on my computer. So not only did Alon send me pictures every day and let me know what was going on daily, I could go online and see everything that was done. I could see the pricing, the costs, the daily schedules. I didn't have to be here. So there was a couple of few tiny things that I think after the fact we noticed, and I let Alon know, and he showed up the next day with the guy and fixed it. I think that were two little things. So that's amazing. Normally people get their last check and then they're done with it. But he's told me, we'll be here to support you, you know, for a long time, whatever you need. So I feel comfortable that nothing's gone wrong after that. But I like the fact that he was here right away. Was the money that I spent worth it on this project? Absolutely. At first, I was going to do more, but it was expensive. I just couldn't afford it. But this was definitely affordable and it was worth it because it's quality work. And I did my research and I talked with other people and they said, you got a deal. So absolutely, I would refer Green Bay, and I have done so with my friends.